2, Juliet Mike. Italy, Unitar 2, Japan Mike Zulu. 5 and 5 and George. Peter, my name, Peter.
Check this out, man. So this guy in, I think, what did he say? He was an I-5? It doesn't matter. He was an S9. And look at the band scope. If my phone will focus. Please focus. Check him out, man. I'm going to hand hold this for just a second. So he was peaking at S9 and not even leaving a trace on the band scope. You couldn't even tell he was there. And the noise level's a little high today. It's like S4, S5. But I don't care. He was an S9. He was 24 dB over the noise floor and not leaving a trace. I think it's funny. And you know what else I think is funny is that the fact that that band scope is incredibly useful. It's the perfect thing. It won't entertain you. It won't amaze you with its video entertainment. And in fact, it'll make you clown on it like I am right now. Hey, Yaeso, could have done a little better, man. I know the technology is like going on, 10 years old, but still could have done better, Yaeso. Technology is not the reason why a signal that's 24 dB above the noise floor doesn't even leave a trace on a waterfall. I think it's funny. And what's even funnier is that the hams that clown on the FTDX 3000 and point out how superior the perfect rig is, the IC 7300. I saw on QRZ.com one day the IC 7300 was being declared the perfect rig. I guess if you don't mind subpar front end performance and overload and blown finals, Icom has a problem with blown finals. They have had for some time. Comments? Likes? Dislikes? I hope you're well. Take care of your family, your friends, yourself, and your critters. 73.